well, that's right. Yeah, so we got on the space rats here last time. So it's sickly, you know. Oh yeah, we've been there.
So we pop down and say hello.
Yeah, nice to see you.
Actually, I wanted to buy some tickets to go back to the
Yeah.
Office still open, or
The office should be open. You can do. There's no real. You can get them when you come here. You can get them when you arrive. Yeah, they'll sort something out for you, I'm sure. Yeah, they'll sort something out for you, I'm sure they can. You can, yeah, it's the question then, they send them to you. But yeah, they can probably sort out some tickets for you, they'll probably take them for Sunday or something like that. How many are there? 12. We'll sort out a group booking for you. Yeah. Oh yeah, they can do that. Yeah, that probably might be easier than doing tickets. Yeah, they'll sort a group booking out. Yeah, if you ask them, say you'd like a group booking, and that they can probably even sort a reserve coach out with some seating out for you. Alright. Yeah, give them a ring and let them know. Alright. Alright, dear. Nice to see you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
He's doing the signals now.
Yeah.
You'd be perfect working down here.
I think I know him actually.
He's a nice chap.
On Facebook.
He's the one who said hello to me last time, do you remember?
Yes. But I'm sure I shouldn't be talking. Look at that machine.
It's a beauty, isn't it?
Wow.
That guy's got a black face.
I think we're in for a little...
It's going to pour with rain in a minute.
Yeah. You see the station building there? I don't think they've done it properly.
Sorry?
The station building. I don't like the brickwork, it looks too modern.
No, it's not right, is it?
No, it's not in keeping with the time. This is the first time I've used this.
Shoveling coal in it.
Yeah. Is that actually taking you for a walk? Oh, I've got you. Hold on, Fiona. You're Hiya.
Hi.
You're out by the signal box. So we've got you in the signal box. Turn this around, turn it around. I used to spend ages up here. But it's a good idea. It's gotta come down, I think. So brilliant. I like the awning. You got a roof. Yeah. So, but what we'll do is keep on it till it moves out. Turns it, Fiona.
Wow, look at that furnace.
Yeah. when I was a kid, I saw so many of these
Yeah.
when I was a train spotter. Well, make sure you've got it in gear, mate. It'll be moving now in a
Oh,
minute.
it's cold.
Yeah. There's going to be a shower as well. It's amazing, it was really sunny an hour ago. If you look at the sky now,
I know.
well, it's nearly up.
It's gonna fall again.
It's getting interesting. If I get blown over, the first thing that'll happen is my hat will fly off. And knowing my luck, the train will reverse over it. There we go. Get out.